Let's see how to restart your iPhone using Siri. That's right, no more hunting for buttons, just your voice. So, whether your phone's acting a bit sluggish or you just want to give it a fresh start, Siri's here to help. Let's dive in. Before we begin, there's one key thing to check. To use Siri for restarting, you need to have the Hey Siri feature enabled. This allows your iPhone to listen for that wake-up phrase at all times. Grab your iPhone and head into Settings. Find Siri in Search and tap on it. Make sure the toggle next to Listen for Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri is switched on. Alright, now for the fun part. With your iPhone awake, simply say, Hey Siri. You'll hear the familiar chime, indicating Siri's ready for your command. Next, clearly say, Restart iPhone. Siri will confirm your request with a pop-up on the screen. Take a look and tap Restart to confirm the restart. Alternatively, you can just reply Restart verbally. Your iPhone screen will go dark and you'll see the Apple logo appear. That's the restart process in action. It'll take a few seconds, but then your iPhone will boot back up normally. And there you have it. Restarting your iPhone with Siri is a breeze. It's perfect for situations where you can't use the buttons, or you simply prefer a hands-free approach. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool iPhone tips and tricks.